how to turn on or turn off messages auto backup on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, we swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accounts and backup. In here, go to the Samsung Cloud section and tap on backup data. Next, we tap on the messages toggle button to turn off or switch on auto backup. And that's it. After you have turned on auto backup, the phone will periodically automatically backup messages. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.